Good morning, students. Good morning, students. Today we discuss about 12th day commerce morning video. In this video, we discuss about the management process. In this chapter, we already discussed about management by objectives, meaning, definition, objectives, features, advantages, process, and disadvantage of management by objectives. Today in this video we discuss about meaning of management by exemption. So management by exemption is one of the important principle of management control by way of focusing on identifying and handling any deviation from the norms. So in the business management, if there is any deviation out there, that is planning or not to be correctly followed, and production line direction are not strictly followed, means if there is any excess loss arise in particular department, so at that time, with the help of the management by exemption, the management should analyze and take decision in order to motivate, develop that type of a department, those departments which are losing their activities. So for example, the production manager establish quality control standard wherever 5 defects per 100 units produced are permissible. So long as the number of defects does not exceed 5, the supervisor and the subordinates, they can manage it, because of the permissible loss is out of 100 units only 5 units are permissible for loss. If more than 5 units loss occurs, means then that type of problem will taken to the manager. So the manager will handle the problem and they will analyze the problem and take final decision. So that type of management is called as management by exemption. Process of management by exemption. Primarily, it is necessary to set objectives or norms with predictable or estimated results. So whatever the results arise in the business organization, that should be based on the basic objectives. So these performance are assessed and get equated to the actual performance. Next, the deviation gets analyzed with an insignificant or no deviations. No action is required and senior manager can concentrate on other matters. So in case of any deviation arise, if there is no deviation, means there is no problem to run the business, to continue the same activity to achieve the objective of the business. But there is any deviation, means immediately that problem will be taken to the knowledge of a manager in order to control it. So if actual performance deviates significantly, the issue needs to be passed to the senior managers as on exemption has occurred. So finally, the aim is to solve these exemptions immediately. Advantage of management by exemption. So management by exemption have some of the following benefits. It saves the time of managers because they deal only with the exemptional matters. So in this type, the manager will not always busy. They will busy only at the time of any deviation arise in the management. So they can concentrate in some other activities. So routine problems are left to the subordinates. Then it focuses managerial attention on major problems. As a result, there is better utilization of managerial talent. So the management will focus only to the major problems. They will not concentrate the minor problem arise. It will be taken by the superior and the subordinates. So they can have a better utilization of managerial talent. It facilitates delegation of authority. That is, top management concentrate on strategic decisions, and operational decisions are also left to the lower levels. So daily activities are left to the lower level. Only the major activities, if deviation arise, that should be passed to top management level. So there is necessary in span of control. This leads to motivation and development of subordinates. So all the major activities are handed over to the topmost level authorities. So authority will be delegated to them in order to take right decisions. It is a technique of separating important information from unimportant one. So it is one of the best method to be followed in the business concern to make important informations, to separate important information from unimportant one. It forces managers to review past history and study related business data for identifying deviations. So it will help the manager to study all the past activities, relevant activities and records to take final decision if any deviation will arise. So there is better use of knowledge of trend, history and available business data. Management by exemption keeps management alert to opportunities and threat by identifying critical problems. It can avoid uninformed and impulsive actions. So this management by exemption will make the manager to make alert in their activities to opportunities and the threat of identifying critical problems in order to solve them. Management by exemption provides better yardstick for judging result. It is helping in objective performance appraisal. So this management by exemption will help the manager to provide better decision for any problem arise. They can analyze the problems with the past experience and past records of the business concern, and it will help in objective performance appraisal. Disadvantage of management by exemption. The main disadvantage of MBE is only manager have the power over really important decisions, which can be demotivating for employees at a lower level. So the main drawback of MBE, that is, manager have the power of really important decisions. They will not concentrate unimportant matters. So major problem only they can involve and analyze and take a final decisions. So daily activities and minor problems will hand over to the superior and subordinates. They can handle themselves. Furthermore, it takes time to pass the issues to managers, managing employees who deviate from the normal procedures. The manager should take the final decision any deviation arise among the workers in the business organization. So they can manage employees who deviate from the normal procedures. Because of compliance failures are considered difficult to manage and typically find themselves with limit job duties and ultimately dismissed and terminated. So all the critical problems will be solved by the managers by using this management by exemption technique. So major problem only they can take, analyze and take final decisions. So with the help of this, the management of the business organization will be an effective one. That is, mostly in a business organization, both management by objectives and management by exemption should be applicable wherever necessary in order to control the business effectively and efficiently to achieve the economic goal, objectives of the business. So with that we complete this chapter. Students, you can complete the assignment. You can go through the video clearly and you can complete this assignment, that is, choose the correct answers. That is, 4 choose are given. You can write this in your commerce classwork, that is assignment notebook, clearly with the lesson heading, and write all the question answers, 2 mark question answers, 3 mark question answers and 5 mark question answers. All the answers are in the lesson. You can go through it. You can watch the video clearly, find the answers and write the answers in your assignment notebook with the questions, 2 mark, 3 mark and 5 mark. Complete the assignment and send task complete message in the group. Thank you.